Hi there, for today's video I will be showing you how to create an Alias Gmail account. You have to note that this will only work if you have a paid business email with Google, which means you're paying around $6 a month to use the business email with Google. Okay, first thing you have to do is to click on these 9 little dots, go to your admin console, which is this, and then from the admin console you will see this page. Click on the user icon. Mine is Admin Pro Digitality AP. Click on that, and then under your profile go to add alternate emails. Okay, so as you can see, I've already added a bunch of them. All you have to do is to type the username or the alternate email here, like let's say hello, and it automatically does that for you. But I'm not going to creating a new one. I'm just going to show you the emails that I already have. So I have 4 different aliases. I'm now using them on my website. And then once you have added one, click save. Now if you receive an email and you want to reply, for example, you received an email using this email address, enroll@prodigitality.com, and you want to send a reply, how do you make sure that this is the email being used when replying? That's easy. You just go back to your Gmail account, click on this gear icon, see all settings, click on accounts, and under this section it says send email as. There's only one right now, so we'll be adding one of the 4 email addresses that I created before. So I'll add support@prodigitality.com. Make sure it's the right spelling. Okay, and then next step. Once you've added that, it's going to appear here, and it's going to give you 2 options. Say it says here, when replying to a message, letter A, reply from the same address that the message was sent to, or letter B, always reply from the default address. So I would choose this one, reply from the same address, so that I don't although you can change it anytime. I'm gonna be showing that to you, but I'd rather just use this as my default so that I don't have to pick, or if in case I forget to change the email. I'm gonna show that to you in a quick second. So you don't need to save this. This is all good. Okay, so let's say I'm sending an email or I'm replying to somebody. This option now appears, a drop down option, and I can change whichever email I want to use. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Bye.